good morning guys! Welcome from Vancouver!
Newscaster yan.
It is our second day today dito sa Vancouver. And Miko's third day. Ilang day mo na, Miko? Third day! So it's our second day. Miko has a lots of plan today.
And we are taste ganda today because it's windy.
Yeah.
And everybody's wearing shorts because of Joel.
Naglalaro kami ngayon, ganda-gandahan.
Wow, isang maganda-ganda.
Tatawid kami, yan. Meron pa kaming 3 seconds. Ayun, Holiday Inn. So ngayon ang laro namin ganda-gandahan. Sana hindi kami maglaro ng yaman-yamanan later.
At least
Parang hindi
isan.
ko magyayaman-yaman kayo mamaya ni Malo.
Parang ano.
Kasi may 30% kami.
Okay, maghanap tayo ng iba nating laro. Huwag tayo magyaman-yamanan today.
Hindi ni Malo magyayaman kasi maghahanap din siya ng luxury items.
Ay, dito yung luxury items.
Sa Adore.
So yun guys, lakad-lakad kami. We're looking for
Yamanan later.
Ay, actually, magyayaman-yamanan kami kasi kakain kami sa Michelin breakfast.
Yaman-yamanan and then later tuyuan ng ulam.
Hindi, yaman-yamanan and then next is utang-utangan naman kami. Utang-utangan, tagu-taguan. Yan ang next namin laro. Tagu-taguan sa mga kautangan. I wanna show you something. Ayan o. That's a bag of water. Tapos, dito ka, Miko. What's the use of that, Miko? Why do you have that bag of water? What's that for? That's for the watering the plants so that you don't need to constantly water them, and then you need to what do you call that? It will water the plant during hot days. So, say hi to my vlog. Hi vlog.
Anong kakainin mo dito sa mga tangine?
Tangina.
Kelye? Friskaze?
Sige, pronounce mo yan.
Savoy?
Pag na-pronounce mo yan ng tama, ano ka?
Holy de champignon. Sandwich. Oh. Sandwich. Oh.
Sabi mo, ay busog pala ako,
Ah! Ayun, kasi na 2x. Para tayo mga
Oh, tingnan mo to.
Pilipino yun dati.
Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa loob ng Medina.
It's a Michelin star.
Sa Michelin Star Restaurant. At ang mga kalaro ko.
Yaman-yaman.
Ang ganda ko dyan. Laro namin ay,
Yung laro mo ngayon.
sabi ni Joms, yaman-yamanan, utang-utangan, tago-tagoan.
Ito, nagtatago sa mga kautangan niya.
Yan mo na, yung only live one.
Yan.
Pag namatay ka bukas, mahala.
At puro ganyan tayo, you only live once, and nalibuhay ka 100 years old. Putik.
Kaya ka nabuhay ng 100 years old kasi work-life balance. Kasi marami kang utang, kailangan kasingin ng gobyerno.
Breakfast.
May matcha latte, Malo, ha? Nalagay ka ba sa matcha? May matcha latte, yun.
Ganun tayo.
Parang ano siya, hindi pa din natikman. Diba? Parang
Ito, yun.
Ano yung sa inyo?
waffle.
Ano yung sa inyo? Shampoo niya?
Hindi, paella.
Serve.
May yaman-yamanan food.
The yaman-yamanan food is ready to eat. Ayan. This is short ribs. And then, ang taray ni Malu, may babaganush pa to.
Bakit?
Ayan, yung mag-asawa. And of course, Nico with his... What is that? Huh? What? Waffle.
Ito, di ba
And Joel is eating.
Short rib.
That's it, guys.
Ayoko nang babagat.
So, yeah, guys, kain tayo. You wanna video me, Nico? Go eat.
Be, parang ikaw yung nag-enjoy sa larong yaman-yamanan.
Siyempre.
Tingnan mo naman. Pula na lang, himuran mo yung ano. Asan yun? Ano ko papakita?
Nga, taas mo. Taas baba mo. Ito.
Pula na lang, himuran mo yung ano. Skillet ba yan?
Kilit.
Yun na nga, hindi.
Sizzling?
Halatang hindi ako pa yung seman-yamana kasi ugaling squatter yung alam ko.
Talagang ikaw ang nag-enjoy eh. Sa mga kalaro, kami yata ni Joel ang lugi.
Kami pa rin yung ano, para kaming ano pa rin. Squammy pa rin.
Squammy. Ano to, squammy, Betty na mo?
Pero siya,
Eh.
pero siya yaman-yamanan.
Yamana.
Siya ang nanalo. Ang haba ng pila.
Eh. Sarap mo. Parang ninanamnam mo maigi yung lasa.
Yung Pilipin umayaman ako. Kukunin na yung ano ko. May sarsa pa.
Ayaw niya ibigay.
Ayaw kaibigan.
Oh.
Hey Miko. How are you? Did you go to the park?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
What did you get?
What did you get? Did you get something out of there?
Show it.
No. That is not.
So we're walking, guys. We're going to the place where we can rent some bicycle because we're going to Stanley Park biking and we're gonna stop by at the aquarium. That's what Miko wants. And then you're going to
Science Center.
where? Science Center as well. Look at that, pretty flowers. So beautiful. Yeah.
How is that a rhododendron?
So Miko is curious what flower is that. Now he's doing a research. Nandito kami ngayon. Nandito kami ngayon, guys. Nag-aarkila kami ng bike. So, ito po si Marilu. Kaway-kaway, Marilu. Kailan mo huling ginawa to? 10 years ago? Yeah, so we're going to bike, go around Stanley Park.
Are you good to go?
I think we're good to go. Okay, see you in a bit, guys. So, guys, ito po ang...
Jumps picture mo kami. Dali namin tatlo.
Tinan mo tong pamilya Toralba. Oh.
Or you do that. I'll do this.
Malu, mas maganda yan video. Kasi hindi ba, picturean din ko kayo.
You do the thing.
Ayan po ang pamilya Toralba. Kukudakan muna natin sila.
Perfect. Biking again by the Stanley Park. Miko and Malu and Ogie and Jamark at the front. There you go. Miko, that's where we went yesterday. Oh.
Where?
See? The cruise ships there. Oh. Right, that's the flyover.
Halika na baba mo yung bike mo.
Do you like it?
Are you enjoying so far, Miko? Perfect. Family picture.
Para kita yung view. 1, 2, 3. So guys, we're here now at Vancouver Aquarium, and there's Miko. There we go. And this is the Vancouver Aquarium, and it's so cute. There are kids there. Miko, initial reaction.
Ikaw can hold this Hangana papers.
Look, look, look. Go, 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 run there. Check it out.
Give me that. So you can look around.
What? What is it? Do you like it? Say about the Vancouver Aquarium.
So good. Been here like 5 times already.
5 times.
Pacific Canada or the tropics? The Pacific Canada, Miko.
Lapu-lapu.
Pwede ngayon na ito gataan.
I don't.
Time is moving fast. I am moving slow. All the days that passed had nowhere to go. I watched them slip away as far as I can see.
Ooh, look at that.
I let them roll astray. It did not bother me. The sun is shining through every window.
Ikaw pares tayo eh. Pagkita natin tapos na.
Oh, ako tapos na, no? Like snorkeling.
I complain if there should ever be a storm or a pouring rain.
That one is rough back dolphin.
Yeah, the sun will shine again.
Ay, hindi. Ano pala siya? Poacher?
Time is moving still.
Guys, we're here watching 4D here at
Here
Vancouver
with me,
Aquarium.
house
Show.
up on the hill, and a little apple tree. The sun is shining through every window pane. It's bathing you in light, so why should I complain?
Ayun na.
If there should ever be a storm or a pouring rain,
Aha, you found one.
well, the sun will shine.
Ooh. This one is this one.
The sun will shine.
I can bend.
Standing still forever.
Yeah, I don't like them.
Tito John Mark is there, look. Tito John Mark is there, look.
Actually, wait, now I want to see it.
Ha? Yung parte ng shark ulit. Yan na yan na. Yan. Ang laki ng ano, tilapia.
Look at the fish. It's so big. Big mouth.
What's that? That's a stingray.
Miko, look oh. Pompano.
It's a
Do you want pompano?
daddy outside.
Laki oh.
This
Ang bigat
one?
na siguro niyan, no?
Look, look, look.
It's daddy.
Ayun eh. That's mommy. Look, look, mommy, Nico. Nico. Tignan mo, ano pa kamukha
Daddy
ni
on
mo.
Friday night.
How big it
Ay,
is.
Malu. Kamukha mo to, tignan mo.
It's from the Amazon.
I'll do it Friday night.
Look at that. How big. Do you think they can see us?
See how big it is.
They're not doing the sound reason yet. It's a face. It looks like a face.
Oh, it's related to this prawn.
Yeah. Imagine you're swimming with them.
Bro, what is this?
Laki.
Tignan mo may ano pa, arwana pa oh.
Doon pa, ayan, nandito.
It's a
Oh, you see? You see? Those are piranhas.
Oh, they're eating the fish, oh. Look, look, look.
Yeah, those are piranhas. I know. Kaya nainis ako kasi nakita siya kagad sa hotdogan.
Nagrereklamo siya.
Ngayon ko lang ito nakita.
Oh!
Oh, 17. I know what you mean. We can go anywhere, even if there's nothing there. I don't really care. Even if I wouldn't, I trust you to say when, and I'll be holding my kiss. And then love turns into fear, and it won't just disappear. And I don't know how to get out of this place we're making here. And you act as if you don't care in this toxic life, and it's hard for me to decide.
That's the red tech. Komodo dragon.
You go put your head here.
This one is the Magalenia.
Yan, marino yung ano, no?
Put your head. Inside.
There's a lot of friends, no? They're gonna jump on you. Lucky! Ang laki, look! Paano yung mag-ano yung tunog? Look, no? Ayun, dalawa sila. Yan yung maganda yung beach. Oh, dyan yung beach. Dyan. On your left.
Yan po si Malu, nagbabalik. So, nandun sa unahan. Ayun. Oh my God, di ako marunong mag-bike. Ayun si Joel, oh. We're biking here at the Stanley Park. It's just I'm not good in biking, so my biking is not stable. Sorry about the noise. That's the helicopter here in Vancouver. Say hi, Joel. So guys, we finished biking. Nabalik na natin yung ating mga bike. Ayan, magbabayad na sila. How's the biking, Nico? Good? I'm so tired. Did you get tired? No? Now we're going to eat now. We're on our way to Granville, our next destination for tonight. So we're gonna ride the best day ever of Marilu Felizardo. The most requested. Ito po ang request niya. Kailangan talagang mag best day ever siya. Ayun siya, oh. Where is the best day ever? Tata ko sa inyo. Ayun, it's the best day ever. Excited, nagmamadali, wala pa yung bangka niya. Nandun na siya. So, punta tayo ng Granville. We're gonna eat there. We skip our lunch. So, we'll keep you posted. Hey. Best day ever. Dun yun sa kabila. Pag sa Yaletown ka.
Kasi sinigyan natin.
Oo.
Picture lang ka na.
Yung wala dito yun. Hindi ito yun.
Pilapa.
Walang plan.
Ikaw naman na ngayon.
Ikaw dito ko.
Si Marilo Perizardo.
Tickets yet?
Ano?
One way or return?
At
One way lang.
One way.
One way.
One way?
Yes.
Para dun tayo sa kabila bumaba.
For and again.
4 adults, 1 child?
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
And we're paying together, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we're going to Granville, Nico. This is a boat.
Ako na to, tapos ikaw sa kabila. Papapamalik.
Sige.
Look at that, Miko. We're riding a boat. We're going to
Ayos.
Granville. We're going to eat.
Lupa?
Puro na.
Puro lupa. Puro bundok.
Meron naman kayong tubig?
Anong
Ay,
tubig?
dali.
Eh?
Ito yung ano ni ano.
Best day ever nito, oh. Tuwan-tuwa naman to.
This is my best day ever. Riding the char. Nico, this is my best day ever. Ayun. Yun yung sinakyan natin.
Yun yung sasakyan natin,
Yan
mamaya.
nga, kabas na yan, malo.
Best day ever ni
Can we
Malu.
go see the, ano
Ano
here?
daw? Ha?
The science center.
Ang bango ng mangga. Ang bango ng mangga. Yan po si Marilu.
Ano gusto mo, Miko?
Marilu is here buying some food. Meron pa dun, Malu. You wanna check out there?
Check natin dito. Blueberry nga, 245 lang.
Ayun na, mixed fruit.
Eh, meron pa daw doon. Halika, Miko. Meron pa daw doon. Halika. Ay, ganda ng mangga nila. Oh.
Ang bango nga eh.
Ang lalaki. Hindi ako makain. Mamaya, papay-pay dito. Pilihan tayo ng pinapay.
You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend again and again. We'll
Ito naman ang ano ko, best day ever ko lagi.
Ito, Jollibee. Ito yung sa Halo of Blue Market.
Natutuwa ako dito, ang daming pagkain, ang daming bibili.
stick together.
Ay, nagliligpit sila, Malu. Ligpit na yung ano mo, best day ever mo.
Stick together. I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high, and it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things to do. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, I'll be there. You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together. Stick
Yay, best day ever again for mommy and
I can
daddy.
pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world of mad, we're on an all-time high.
Best day ever!
You and I
Kumain tayo ulit ng
Di ba ako tapos kumain?
We're on our way to Richmond night
Night
market, Miko. We're just gonna maximize the trip of Miko, because there's only 2 day more left, and he's back to
Alberta.
school. No absent anymore.
Absent again. And he needs to wait till July
Again, so
July.
that's 2 more months.
Before he can come back to
Vancouver. Yeah. So
and go to the island
we'll see you there, guys.
and enjoy the beach.
So ano masasabi mo, Malu, sa sitwasyon mo at kalagayan mo dyan?
Ayun, hinihilis at matulog.
Kasi na ba si
Ay,
Malu?
kumain naman alas 4 gumising.
Aga mo nga kung gumising.
What time did you wake up late a while ago?
Yan, si Marilu.
Oh, you woke up late?
Sumi ko.
Oh, yeah. Yan o.
Mami.
Tama si...
Palag doon sa taxi.
si
Bakit?
wow!
Nabagal nila yung pila para magkain.
Para magano ka?
Nandun pa. Nandun may pila. Pinahaba yung pila.
Pinahaba yung pila.
Pinahaba yung pila.
Para
Pinatagal
maka...
yung pila para magbayad ka ng Zoom.
Look, Miko!
What
Dinosaur.
kind of is that? Oo, tingnan mo.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers.
Oh, ganda oh. Welcome to
Vancouver.
Richmond.
Richmond, ang social na
Vancouver.
Richmond.
What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark.
Kiniginaw ka?
Already know me.
Kiniginaw ka?
It's in the dark.
Tenga ko lang.
We're dreamers.
Ay, yung mga sticker ay sa'yo. Tama ng pila. Ayun. Here. Ayun, wala ng pila.
Tells me that you want me and all we come alive. You and I, we come alive.
Ayun, Malu. Oh.
Ayan po ang pamilya Turalba, nagkakagulo po sa mango sticky rice. Ano mo masasabi mo? Matamis ba?
So good.
Matamis kasi yan last time eh. Same pa rin? Ay, nalaglag. Okay lang yan. And then this is Joel. Mapapasayo kaya uli ito? Mapapapitik ka ba ngayon this time?
Ngayon ko na.
Hawak ko,
Dalawang pitik.
hawak ko ang bit. Sarap.
Teka naman. Ito naman po ang magta-try ng
Manenay rice.
It's good?
May nasa bilo-bilo, di ba? May nakalagay ng bilo-bilo ganyan.
Ginatang bilo-bilo?
Yung price na yan.
Miko tried the mango sticky rice. Now he's eating rice. So good.
So good.
Miklan, have you tried chicken tsaka shrimp? Walang ano.
Ito yung Indomie Malu. oh.
Yung Indomie Malu.
Sushi hot dog.
Deep fried whole squid.
Malamig eh.
Noodle?
Malamig kasi. Kabulahan na dito sa kainan. Chef Barbecue Express.
Pupuro na si Malu.
Pupuro na si Malu. Number niya is 78. Pupuro siya sa 78.
Dalawang bola na lang.
Dalawang bola na lang mga kapatid. Malapit na tayo. Ayan na po. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. 7-0. Oy, bumalik, bumalik. Bumalik.
75 na kanina eh.
75 na. Hindi ka talaga mabalik. 78, bingo! Bingo, bingo!
Kaya mo ako na tayo.
Bingo! Wala pa pala. Mali.
Wala, wala, wala.
Sorry. Bakit tayo mo doon? Tinawag ka na? Magkano?
Ewan ko si ate
Ayan po ang order ni Marilu. Piniritong
Pusit!
pusit. Ayan sila oh. Tikim-tikim.
Minute pa eh.
Pwede na yan. Sarap.
Calamari. Pusit.
With bacon.
Cowboy.
Oh, git.
Ay, nimi ko.
Bakit daw niya?
Alam mo yun sa sa DQ? This is the thing. It's not hot. No, I'll hold it on.
Oh,
No, potato.
I see it. It looks different.
Hindi
Alam
mo?
niya potato yung pakaba.
It's a Rotato potato. Rotato, because it's circle.
Nasa yung wallet mo, Joel, no?
Oo. Mango jelly.
That is my true love. I love you forever. Though you forget.
Hey guys, nandito na tayo sa hotel. It's been a long day. Andyan po. Meron po dito. Meron po ka dito nag-uumba.
Meron pang nakapaka ng tek-tek doon.
Oh, baby. Aba, this is my outfit for summer.
Ayan po.
Oh, baby, baby.
Ano to si? Britney Spears.
Brett left here. Malunod ka wala yung ganito kasi nilakaw mo pala. Yung lagay ko ng gentleman.
So guys, tutulog na. Bukas ulit. We'll see you on our next vlog. Check out for another day here at Vancouver. Bye-bye. See you.